What up, everyone? It's your boy Dio, and this is Frankla Investment. In this video, I am going to share with you guys my 5 topmost points why I am not selling and why I am buying more shares of BioNano Genomics, even if the market sentiment has been BS lately. Okay, I mean, majority of popular stocks are down since Monday, since last week, since this government yield, 10-year notes, 5-year notes, 30-year notes, bonds has been rising. It scares a lot of investors because they believe inflation is going to rise, and most people are running away from growth stocks, like Tesla, for example, and they are going into all these old school dinosaur stocks like I think like General Electric or Boeing, or all these traditional stocks that are related, to the economy recovery. That is where the money has been moving since last month. And of course, this is just a temporary thing because we all know all these stocks, even though most of all these are growth stocks are up, like BioNano Genomics, for example, is up over, 1,000%. At one point, I believe it was up more than 2,500%, even though most of all these traditional stocks, they didn't go anywhere since last year, March. So in this video, I am going to share with you guys my 5 most important reasons why I am sticking with this company and why I am not selling. And of course, I am not a financial advice, and why I believe nobody should be selling. You don't sell into weakness, you sell into strength. So let's get to it, guys. And like you guys can see, I have a lot of positions as well that are in red. Okay, I am not a millionaire, like I already said. You can see I have these positions that I opened last week, and I opened these 2 positions yesterday at 10.15. You can see 2 positions, 10.15, 10.15, and of course this 9.63 also. And I believe I am going to open another position today. So let's get to it, guys. So the first place I want to start with is of course the BioNano Genomics website. You have to go to the senior management section of this website. Take a look at that, guys. This is Dr. Eric Ohm, and this man, he holds a PhD in chemistry, okay? And of course, he has 2 MBAs, one from UC Berkeley and from Columbia University. And I believe, I have listened to this man speak. He knows what he is talking about, okay? And this is the kind of leader, the kind of CEO that I believe, because if you are invested in a company, it's all about the product and the leaders, okay? And I am going to show you guys, I believe most of you guys already know these leaders, but let me just talk a little bit. So like I already said, this is Dr. Eric. This guy knows what he is talking about, okay? He knows his shit, and he has the experience. You can easily see his work experience here, all these companies where he has been working previously, successful companies. And we have the chief operating officer, Mark Odakovsky. I have watched this man speak also. I have watched his YouTube. There is a video about him on YouTube. I have seen that video like 7 times, where he was talking about the Sapphire system. I believe that video is from last year, March or something, where he was talking about the Sapphire system and how important the system is and how it works. I have learned a lot of things from this man as well. And we have Christopher Stewart. This man was sent from, he used to work for Maxwell Technology. And Maxwell Technology, perhaps you guys know that Tesla acquired this Maxwell technology, I think 2 years ago. I think they acquired Maxwell Technology, and they have been using part of this technology, in the Tesla battery, okay? And you can see Christopher Stewart is the I used to call him the hero that Elon Musk sent to us. That is what I call him. And Christopher Stewart, in my opinion, is a hero that Elon Musk sent to BioNano Genomics, because ever since this guy got to BioNano Genomics, the stock has been performing. So this guy is the kind of chief financial officer that every investor wants for the company they are invested in. Now, take a look at the chief medical officer, Dr. Alka. This lady, we call her queen, because I call Dr. Eric, I call him the king. Okay, so this is the queen. She is the chief medical officer. She knows her shit. This woman knows what she is talking about. She has tons of experience. She has worked. Look at that. Dr. Shelby served on the board of directors for the Cancer Genomic Consortium. anything. Well, if you are talking about cancer, tumor, and all this stuff, all this FSHD, this woman knows what she is talking about. Okay, I mean, these are the kind of people you want as the leaders of whichever company you are invested in. So this is my first point. Let's go to the second one. Now, another reason I am crazy about BioNano Genomics and why I am not selling is because of this growth. BioNano Genomics is a growth company, it's a growth stock, okay? BNGO is a growth stock. And growth stocks, whenever the market is, volatile, they always take a hit. That is what happens with growth stock. And of course, majority of growth stocks at the beginning, they are not profitable companies, okay? It takes time because they need money to invest, in research and development. And right now, thank goodness, BioNano Genomics is sitting on over 300 million US dollars, which they are deploying, sensibly and effectively. Take a look at these guys. Current quarter, they are expected to grow like 83.30%, okay? And next quarter, they are expected to grow like 86.70%, guys. I mean, current year, they are expected to grow almost 80%. Where can you get such a company? This is a rare gem, okay? That is another reason why I am crazy about this stock. Let me show you guys the next reason why I am crazy about BNGO. Now, if you take a look at the analysts that are covering BNGO, these are guys that have access to all sort of resources that I don't have access to, okay? Take a look at them. Maxim Group Analyst, Jason McCarty. This guy has 5-star. Kevin the Guitar, he has 5-star. Jeffrey Cohen, he has 4, and he has almost 5 stars as well. And of course, the only pain in the backside that we have, Mr. Scott Henry, the person that has refused to update his rating on BioNano Genomics, he has 3 stars. Let me show you guys this guy's information. You have to see their resume. So guys, this is Jason McCarty from Maxim Group. This guy has 5-star, okay? He ranked number 43 out of 7,342 analysts on tip ranks. I mean, number 50 out of 15,292 overall experts. Number 52. I mean, I don't know. This guy resume is crazy, guys. Let's take a look at his rating on BioNano Genomics and see what is going on. So take a look at this, guys. He has been telling everyone to buy BioNano Genomics since 2018. When the price, was dropping. When, according to this history, let me see if I can get it to the max. Okay, so since 2018, when the price, I believe after the company IPO'd, Jason started to cover BioNano Genomics. And as you can see, the price was 6.31 US dollars right here. And he has been giving only buy signal, even though the company almost died out. In 2020, it was trading less than 50 cents. He was still giving his rating as buy, buy, buy. I mean, that is insane. And if you take a look at his success rate on stock, you can see his success rate is 82%, okay? 9 out of 11 ratings were profitable. And average profit on stock, average return per rating on BNGO has been 560.7%. And still, this guy is still giving a buy rating. I mean, what else do you want from this guy? So let's go to the next analyst. So the next analyst we are going to check out is Kevin the Guitar from Oppenheimer. Okay, Kevin has 5-star as well, and he ranks number 59 out of 7,342 analysts on tip ranks, and he ranks number 75 out of 15,292 overall experts on in the world, I believe. And if you take a look at his success rate, it is 60%. 188 out of 314 ratings were successful. Average return has been 59.2%. Average return per rating. Okay, so this is a successful analyst as well. He has 5-star. So if we go to his rating on BioNano Genomics, I am going to dig it out in a bit. It's somewhere down there. So we can see it has 11 ratings on BioNano Genomics, okay? And we can see they have all been buy. And this guy has been also crazy about BioNano Genomics since April 2020, when the stock price was 0.30 US dollars. 30 cents, guys. I mean, and still he has been given the buy rating. He even gave his most recent buy rating was given on the 7th of February 2021 when the price was 11.65 US dollars, and his price target on BioNano Genomics is of course 15 US dollars, guys. I mean, that is 58.23 upside from current level. So let's take a look at the next analyst. So the next analyst we are going to check out is Jeffrey Cohen from Landenberg Thalmann. So this man has almost 5%, almost 5-star ratings on TipRank. Take a look at this, ranked 614 out of 7,333 analysts on TipRanks. And that is why I already told you guys in several videos that Jeffrey Cohen rating on BNGO is not really strong. It's like average, because according to his you guys can easily see, according to his rank on TipRank, you can see that his success rate is 50% and his average return is 39.4% compared to Cohen and Jason that I already showed you guys previously. And of course, Jeffrey just started to rate BioNano Genomics, I believe in January 26th. That was his first rating on BioNano Genomics. You guys can easily see it here. And his price target is 14 US dollars, which of course is 47.68% upside, And we can see that his success rate so far is still 0. So it means this is his first time. And so far, the average profit on this rating, according to where BioNano Genomics price is right now, is minus 19.4%. So if you guys buy, if you believe in this analyst, I mean, you can easily, make 19.4% profit from this current level, because when he rated this stock, the price was 12.21 US dollars. So let's go to the next analyst, guys. Now, my best friend Scott Henry from Roth Capital, this man has 3 stars and he ranked 3,142 out of 7,342 analysts on Tip Ranks, okay? And he is number 5,356 out of 15,392 overall experts on Tip Rank all in the world. So we can see his success rate is 43%. 163 out of his 379 ratings were successful. So average return so far is 2.4%. I mean, I myself, I am more than this in this year alone. So let's take a look at his rating on BNGO. So he has only 2 ratings on BNGO. His first rating was on the 22nd of April 2022 when the price was 0.37%, 37 US dollars, sorry. And his rating was buy, okay? He rated it buy. And when the price was around 0.50 US dollars, he downgraded it to hold. I mean, how could you downgrade something that is 50 cents? Something you rated from 37 cents and then it went to 50 cents and you downgrade it to hold. I mean, I don't understand this man, guys. I don't understand this man, okay? So that is all about Scott Henry. Let's go to the next one, guys. Alright guys, so I am going to show you guys the last reason, why I am crazy about BioNano Genomics. I want to show you guys where the price is right now. We are going to switch over to the, this yearly is too much. Let me take a look at let's use the weekly candlesticks. So we will switch over to the weekly candlestick because there is something important I want to show you guys. You see, in 2018, when BioNano Genomics it EPO'd around this level, okay, around the 6 US dollars level. Then it went as high as 9.93 US dollars. And if you guys take a look at it very well, I made several videos about this breakout. This is a breakout, okay? It's broke out. Then now what is doing right now, if you are good at technical analysis, you can tell whenever something runs, whenever a stock goes this high, it has to come back and test the support, okay? It has to relax a little bit and wave. So that is what is happening right now. If you take a look at this price, in 2018, it was around 9.90 US dollars. And right now, that is where the price is stuck, okay? I believe in worst case scenario, which is of course what already happened, you guys can see the 50% retracement was $8, and in 2018 $8 was a strong resistance. Before we started to go down since 2018 till this ending of 2020, you can see the price went to $8, then it refused, the resistance bank it back, and it started to go down ever since then. So now you can easily see, if you take a look at the weekly candlestick, you can see the bigger picture of what is happening. Okay, because most of the time, if you are checking out only 5 minute candlesticks, you might be scared of what is going on. But if you take a look at the weekly candlestick, then you can see a bigger picture. So what I believe is happening right now is this, price is coming down to retest all these strong resistances, and if they are strong enough, which of course means BioNano Genomics leaders are delivering, which means more sales and more positive sentiment, more institutional investors investing, then of course this support is going to hold, and finally we can bounce back. Okay, so what I expect us to do in the future, if this support holds, is to go back to this $11.70 level, and $15.70 level, and retest this resistance. So I believe this support has to it has to hold, and we have to go back and retest this resistance. So that is all about this video, guys. So if you are new on my channel, please destroy the like button and remember to subscribe. I make like 2 videos every day on BioNano Genomics, and you guys can find me on Twitter at bonus level fund, where I share tons of information in the BioNano Genomic community on Twitter. Okay, so have a wonderful day, guys. I remain your boy Dio. This is Frankla Investment. Bye bye.